Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers. Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Want to get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yeah, good evening, one and all. Welcome back to the day 4 session of SDP Student Development Program using business intelligence using advanced Excel and Power BI. Yes, guys, just confirm me, is my voice is clear? Okay, guys, let's begin with the session. So before going to start our session, first we'll do the simple recap of yesterday's session. So what we have done yesterday, right? So we have done some basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And we have gone through the formula bar and how to copy and paste with values and without values. And after that, we have done some aggregate functions like sum, average, minimum, maximum, and count also. Then we have gone through the difference between the relative cell referencing and absolute cell referencing with examples. So how to make it a cell as an absolute cell. Okay. And after that, now we have done very important concept, that is formatting, conditional formatting. We have done formatting previously, the basic formatting. So we have done the conditional formatting, right? So how to highlight the cells based on the rules, that means from the specific one column. Yes. And how to get the top 10 candidates or top 5 candidates or bottom 10 candidates or bottom 5, that also we have done. And what we have done after this, and some part of icons and data bars, color scales in the conditional formatting. And the very important, moving on to the advanced conditional formatting, we have done the advanced conditional formatting, yes, by giving the created formula. So instead of single column doing the conditional formatting or highlighting the cells on a single column, so that whenever the condition matches, it will do the entire row highlighting with the color. So that is we have done with advanced conditional formatting techniques and created formulas. So this is the topics we have done yesterday, right? Okay, guys. Moving on to the today's session agenda. So let me start my screen sharing. Okay, guys. What we left, just we will discuss the parts. So all these things is done. Formatting cells, sheets, formulas, data organization, data. Yes, guys. So advanced formatting is done. So we left with this part in the intermediate functions. So today what we will do, some part of logical functions, text functions, date functions, lookup functions, and some other parts like the validation, data validation, how to put the drop down list, how to set the error messages and input messages, and some part of cleaning like removing the duplicates, and removing the spaces in the text. Okay, such type of some pre-processing like the cleaning process also we will do it in today's session. Okay, right, guys. Moving on to the topic. Yes, if time supports, we will go with the charts also. The visualizations, very, very, very interesting, guys. The visualization part is very, very interesting. Okay, right. So basic to the intermediate level, we are discussing the intermediate level Excel. Then once we finish the charts and pivot tables, then we will move to the advanced Excel on day 6. Okay, right, guys. So let's begin with the Excel. Okay, right, guys. Just moving, I have already shared the drive. I mean, you have the drive links. I have already shared these files to you. Just go through the files. I have already shared 2 files in the drives. Or else, if you want, you can type. These are not the huge rows. These are very simple rows. You can type there. Okay. Right, guys. This is the sheet. I'll do one thing. I'll try to paste it in the chart box. Whether it will work, the direct Excel it will take or not. Just I'll post it. No, it is not possible, guys. We cannot share. Just go through the drive link only. No possibility. Okay, guys. Yes, the Amar will help you regarding this drive links. Okay. Okay, guys. Shall we start? So I cannot post the Excel sheets directly. So get it from the drive links. Guys, no need to worry. It's a very simple. See, guys, I have considered only the few rows of data. You can type meanwhile. So when I'm explaining, you can type and you can practice. Okay. It's very, very simple data, guys. I'm not going to take the huge data to make you confused. Okay. Right. Then just take this data, guys. Just take this data in the new sheet. So the first topic we are going to start with here is we'll do the remove of duplicates. The first concept I want to start with cleaning only. So how to remove the duplicates? How to remove the duplicates? Okay, guys. So what is mean by duplicates? See here, if you notice from this Excel sheet, the simple data, even if you take the huge data also, what is mean by duplicates? Any specific row is repeated. You see, any specific row is repeated. Ram with 21, Sam with 23, Sita with 34, Geeta with 21, Anusha. Yes, Sam. See, guys, this row and this row is sorry, this row is repeated. Same data, guys. The data is same. So can we consider it as a duplicate row? Yes. So how to remove such type of duplicate rows? Usually what happens when we are entering some data into the sheets, usually this thing happens unintentionally. We won't do this intentionally, but this happens unintentionally. We will get some duplicates in rows also. If you want to deal with such type of duplicates, so we have an option removing the duplicates. Okay, so for that we need to check duplicates. First go to the data, find out where is your data, find out the data. So move on to the data tab. Everybody move on to the data tab. Move on to the data tab. Okay, in the data tab will you able to see the remove duplicates option? The remove duplicates options are there. Here this thing is remove duplicates. I'm highlighting with the red color box. I'm highlighting with the red color box, guys. Remove duplicates. Will you able to see this? Okay. Then see, guys, click on the duplicates. When you click on the duplicates, remove duplicates. See, your entire data is selected automatically. Your entire data is selected automatically. Okay. So here you are getting select all. That means what are the columns that you have? The serial number, name of the student, and age. We have three columns, right? Automatically it is checking in the entire data. Okay, so just from where you want to delete from the entire data, just keep it in select and click on okay. See how many duplicates, guys? We have only one duplicate. Sam is duplicated only here in the serial number 7. So what happens? Either this or this will be removed. So click on okay, guys. No duplicates found. Why? Is we have removed anything previously. So let me cross check with this. Okay. So click on the remove duplicates. So if you want, you can remove the serial number and click on OK. See, guys, it is giving you the message. What is the message it is giving? One duplicate values found and removed. One duplicate value found, and that is also removed. Directly it is removed. Okay, everybody getting this? Remove the serial number, guys. It will work. Okay, then click on OK. Guys, see, previously I have in the serial number 7, I have Sam. Now it is removed. The duplicate is removed. The duplicate is removed. Yes, guys, done with this. Removing the duplicates is clear now. Yes. Okay. Then moving on to the next concept. One more thing. Okay, we'll remove the spaces, guys. Remove spaces in text. Remove the spaces in text. Remove the spaces in text. Okay. Now, what is mean by remove spaces in text here? See here, guys. If you notice, when I double click on this RAM cell, so how many letters I have here? R, A, M, 3. And where is my cursor point is blinking? Where is my cursor point is blinking? At this point. After one space, it is blinking. After one space, see guys, after one space, it is blinking. So, is this considering as a space? Yes. Did you notice one thing, guys? Whenever I'm trying to remove the duplicates, that means Sam, Sam. One Sam is without space and one Sam is with the spaces after the M here. So even that space is also countable, guys. Okay, see here, guys, one more thing. Sita. Here I have spaces in the starting. Yes or no? So how to deal with these spaces? How can you remove the spaces? Okay, so here also after Radha I have some spaces. Ma'am, how to know whether there is a space or not? Yes, if you know if there is a space, then only we can remove the spaces. Yes or no? So let me try this first. So if you want to know whether you have space before or after the letters, okay, first we will check the length of your text. For that we have to use len. Len means length. Len means length. Take the length, guys, everyone. Okay, just take your first cell, then close your open parenthesis. Okay, then click on enter. Click on enter. Guys, will you able to see my Excel sheet? Sure, for sure. Will you able to see my Excel sheet? Okay, see guys, how many? What is my length? So this is checking the length of the text. See guys, actually, what is the count of RAM? 3 letters. By why it is taking the length as 4? So that means, see, after the RAM, I have one space over there. I have one space. So space is also counting it as 4. Okay, enter. Oh, sorry, I have given one more space. Okay, see dynamic. Okay, see, simply take the fill handle, and check with the remaining. So we know the relative cell reference. Automatically fill handle will take over that. And see, Sam is of only 3 letters. Okay, and Sita, actually how many letters in Sita? 1 2 3 4 5 6 only, but why it is giving the 14? Why it is giving 14? We have to focus. So that spaces in the starting and in the ending of the, if we have any such spaces, we have to deal with. Geeta 6, okay. Anusha 6, okay. Oh my God, Radha, see here. Actually, I have 5 letters, but when I double click in this, I have this much space. It is occupying. Okay, and in the Ankit, no, I don't have any specific spaces. No spaces here, guys. Okay, right. Now, how to remove the spaces? So there is an option called trim. Trim. So trim will help us to remove these spaces. Okay, so remove spaces using trim. So the formula is equals to, just mention the trim. Trim. Mention the trim. Mention the trim. Okay, and select your first text. Select your first text. Select your first text. And enter. Okay, just apply the same handle to the rest of the things. Done. To the rest of the things. Trim with all the remaining names. Okay, done. Guys, now once again, just cross check your length. What is happening now? Just cross check with this data. Is your spaces are removed? Oh, absolutely. See, guys. Ram with 3, Sam with 3, Sita with 6, Geeta with 6, Anusha with 6, Radha with only 5, and Ankit with only 6. So your data, the spaces are removed. Okay, do it quick. We'll move to the next concept. Do it quick. We are dealing with the texts, guys, text functions. The string, length, all these comes under text. Okay, guys, finished? Everybody finished? Okay. Moving on to the next topic. Okay, we'll do one thing. Now I'll take the upper, lower. Okay, let's start with the proper, guys. Very important, proper. The next one is proper. The next concept is proper. The next concept is proper. So what is the use of proper here is, see here guys, all the letters, sorry, all the names here, if you notice, all are with capital, started with capital letter, and the rest of the letters are small. But what about the Ankit, guys? Did you notice the name Ankit over there? Okay, what is the case of Ankit? This name is started with small letter, and after that we have capital N. So any such type of text, if any such type of text you have not started with this, you, if you want to make them proper, if you want to arrange them proper, we will take the help of the function that is proper. Okay, so I'll take here the proper function. So I'm going to make proper names. Proper names. So remaining things are already proper, even though you can apply the proper for everything. So the syntax is proper, guys. Just type PROP and automatically it will display the information about the proper. So what is a proper? Converts a text string to a proper case, the first letter in each word to uppercase and all the remaining letters to the lowercase. So you can see this, guys. Okay. proper. Then give your text and close the open parenthesis and do this. Then apply your fill handle. Oh, see guys, actually what is my name here? This is my Ankit, but here after the proper, everything is started with capital letter and Ankit. After that, everything will be changed into the small letters. So that is the use of proper, guys. Okay, done. Right. Coming to the one more text function. Okay, let me take the uppercases. So you know the uppercase. What is mean by uppercase, guys? If you want to put all your names in capital letters, if you want to put all your names in capital letters, and I'll explain the lower also along with it, uppercase and lowercase. Okay, too. So I want to put all the names in uppercase. Okay, the function is upper. Simply type UPP and press the tab, automatically it will choose. So what the upper is taking? Upper is a text function. So you have to apply the text over there. Okay, then apply this and enter. See all my names in capital letter. Just double click, everything will be in capital letters. Okay, moving on to the lowercase, same way, the formula is lower. The formula is lower. Converts all letters into a text into small letters or the lowercase letters. Okay, press the tab and choose this and close. Done. So just use the fill handle to fill all the data. Okay, guys, finished? Right. So these are some text functions, very simple. Removing the spaces in text and removing the duplicates and proper text function. Use case is also text function. Lowercase is also another text function. Okay. Okay, guys, in this sheet only, I want to explain one more concept. Let me take the split. So I'll take one more concept to in this only split data. Split data. The one more concept is split data. Okay, what is mean by split data, guys? What is mean by split data? Suppose sometimes we will get our surnames and the first names in one column, or else sometimes some columns with the city names and their pin codes, area names and their pin codes in one single column. So if you want to split that columns, yes, we can do that. Okay, let me take this example. I'm taking city and the pin code in only one column. So examples, guys. Okay, I'll move a bit slow. You can type along with me. So I'm taking Mumbai and some random pin codes. One more column. Let me take one more. Okay. So we are going to focus on split data, guys. This concept. We are going to focus on split data concept. Okay, this is my column name. This is my column name. Okay, we are going to focus on this. Yes. So how to split this data? I want Mumbai. See guys, from entire text, I want Mumbai in one particular column. That means Mumbai, Chennai, Pune in one particular column, and all the pin codes in another particular column. So how can I do that? So simply first choose either Mumbai or the pin number. Suppose I want to make Mumbai, I mean the city names first. First take your Mumbai. As usually type at least one text. One text. Okay. Then use your control plus E. Control plus E. Control E. I'll repeat that. I'll repeat that. Okay. First type your first name over here. Mumbai as usual. Then come out of the cell and simply press Control plus E. Control E. Control E. Control E. So I'll write it here. Control plus E is the shortcut. So see here, this is called your what? Flash fill. This is called your flash fill. So whenever you press, it will take it as flash fill, guys. That is your flash fill. Okay. Getting it? Flash fill. This is what is called the city. Only cities. I have not entered any other things, guys. I have taken the Mumbai and I have simply applied the shortcut, that is Control plus E. All the city names are autofill. That means that is called your flash fill. And you can try with pin code also, guys. Just to type the first one, 234-786. Okay. Then simply press Control plus E. See, guys, automatically it is taking the pin codes. Guys, why it is taking means there is a continuity in the rows. That's why it is taking. You can ignore that. Okay. So is it splitting the data? Your Control plus E is the shortcut. So what is this concept here is called flash fill. This is called your flash fill. Yes, finished. Any doubts in this? Yeah, sure. I'll repeat this one more time. Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll take the new sheet, guys. Okay. I'll move here. So split data. I'm going to take city and the pin code. A bit fast. I'm moving, guys. Okay. I'm copying this data. Okay, if you want to split this city and the pin codes into separate columns, okay, first take the Mumbai. First take the Mumbai and paste it over here, or else you can type. After that, simply press Control plus E. Control plus E. So there is a hyphen between city and pin code throughout the column. So automatically it will do the flash fill over there. Okay. In the same way, if you take the number pin code out, Control plus C, just paste it here and simply use Control plus E. So your data is split in two columns. It will split in two columns. Yes, now clear? Okay. Then moving on to the next concept. Now what we will do? Okay, I take this text, Control C. I will paste the values. Okay, right, guys. Moving on to the next, or else, okay, I'll explain in this only, guys. I'll explain here only. The one more concept, the data validation. I'm going to explain the data validation concept. Okay, data validation concept. Okay, what is mean by data validation means, suppose here if you take your and you have entered the pin code, right? Let us assume this column. You have entered the pin code. So usually how many count length of this pin code is usually 6 letters. Yes or no? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What happens if I put only the 4 numbers over there? What happens if I put 4 numbers? Usually pin code consists of 6 numbers, but I am entering only the 5 or 4. This is the wrong pin code, right? So what happens is, if you want to check whether you are entering the valid data, that means 6 digits or not, or in case of text, what is the proper text length, that is also possible. Okay, that comes under validation. So how to take that? Okay, let me take the example. I want to enter contact number. I want to enter contact number here. I want to enter contact number in this cell. Want to enter contact number. First, select your column. Then you have to go to the data. Click on the data. Click on the data. Click on the data. Click on the data in the top side. So will you able to see before the remove duplicates, you have data validation option. Beside the remove duplicates, right side of remove duplicates, you have data validation. Okay, so click on that bar, click on that button, drop down button. Okay, you'll be able to see data validation there. Click on that. One new pop-up will come out. Okay, then from this, I'm going to, let us assume you can choose anything, guys. I'm going to take the okay, text length. So text length, suppose how many minimum phone number? Phone number is of minimum 10 numbers and maximum is also 10 numbers. Let me take 10 and 10. Let me take 10 and 10. So usually phone number consists of minimum maximum 10 numbers only. Okay, guys, finished, entered, and see you have some error alert over there. You have one error alert in the settings only. You have one error alert. Error alert is there. Yes, click on the error alert. We are discussing about the inputs and error messages, guys. Okay, title. So you can put any title, manual title you can put. So let us assume this is contact. This is contact number. So what is the message? I'll take, please enter 10 digits. Please enter 10 digits. Please enter 10 digits. Okay, then click on okay guys, done. You have applied the validation rule for these contact numbers. See, I'm going to enter some number over there, 88. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Just click on enter. Oh, you are getting one error message. Your data validation is checking your data. That. So this is a contact number. Please enter 10 digits. Are you getting, guys? Please enter 10 digits. So what happens if I enter 10 digits? Oh, it is taking. If I enter 10 digits, it is taking. There is no error message. It is validating your data. That means it is validating your column whenever you set some rules, whether you are entering the 10 digits or not. So I'll try with this cell one more. See, again getting the message, please enter 10 digits. This is your error message in the input messages. Okay, in the data validation. So we have drop down is also there, list that we will cover the drop down from the data validation in the lookups. Okay. Click on cancel. Okay, enter 10 digits. Yes, finished. Okay, guys, moving to the next concept. So we have covered with the text functions, removing duplicates, then remove spaces, done proper text functions, split data, and data validation is also done. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Yes, take the next sheet, guys. Take the sheet 2. Take the sheet 2. Take the sheet 2. Move to your sheet 2. Okay, guys. Are you in the sheet 2, everybody? Okay. Right. Now, the concept that we are going to discuss is the logical functions. Okay. The logical functions. Okay. If, and, or such type of logical functions we will discuss. Okay, guys. Right. Coming to this, here as usual, I have the previous same table only. So name of the students, age, salary, and I have one more column, target. So why I have considered a target? To apply some logical function to show you the output of your logical functions. Okay, guys. Then tell me, what is the if, guys? What is the if? So if always takes the logical condition, whether greater than or any comparison operator you can use. Okay, so for example, for if I have one question from this, suppose I want from the salary column, if salary is greater than, let us assume 65,000. Okay, if salary is greater than 65,000, means you achieved the target. Achieved. So target is completed. If it is less than, 65,000, so what is the message I supposed to mention there? Not completed. Your target is not reached or not completed. Okay, I want to put these conditions over there. Okay, if it is, if I'm so orally when I speak, what is the condition? If it is greater than 65,000, just I want my target is, yes, completed. Target is reached. If it is less than 65,000, I am supposed to get here it as not complete. Getting it, guys? I'm talking about the if question here. Right. Shall we start with our if first? Okay, so simply take is equals to if. Simply type if. See guys, whenever I type if, see, checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true and another value if false. And guys, only the true or false, ma'am. When the condition matches only the true, it will give. We can put our text also there. Whatever the output you want to display over there, like completed, not completed, we can put there also. First, select your if, everybody. Select your if. Okay, what the if? What it is giving information. So if first takes the logical test, then if it is true, it will display value as true, or else if it is false. Okay, right. So on which column we are going to perform this? Salary column. First, everybody select your salary column. First, select your salary column. Okay, what is the condition, guys? If salary is greater than 65,000. So I'm going to apply. If it is greater than 65,000, comma. So if it is greater than 65, what I supposed to mention? Completed, target reached, or else you can put yes or no, or else you can put target reached. So such type of messages you can put over there. If it is less than 65, not completed. Okay, and close the bracket. And close the bracket. Okay, click on enter. See guys, is this greater than 65? Oh, is my salary? Oh, if you apply, it is exactly 65, guys. You can put equals to. Yes, are equals to. I have just applied are equals to, guys. Okay, I have applied are equals to. So if you remove are equals to, what happens? The matching there is no equals to, it will consider it as not completed. So put it as equals to and take the help of fill handle. Take the help of fill handle. See guys, 52,000 is 50,000. 52 is greater than 65. No. So target not reached. Target not reached. Yes, 76,000. That means the target is reached, and 43, 54, and 61. So not completed. So in this way, if we'll take the logical test first. So you can use is equals to any comparison operator, not only the specific one. So like what are the comparison operators? Less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, is equals to, not is equals to. Anything you can take. Guys, finished? Everybody finished? Okay, guys. Moving on to the next sheet. Then we'll go with the and or. and or. So I have added one more column in the next sheet. So anybody, they don't have this sheet in the drives, just type this extra column in the previous sheet. The same data, guys, you can copy. Just add one more thing, that is branch. You can add it anywhere in the sheet. Okay, you can add anywhere. So I'm going to focus on the logical functions and or now. We are going to discuss and or. Yes, guys. Shall we begin with this? And so usually what is the and means? So and is a logical function. So whenever the both condition matches, whenever the both conditions are true, then only it will give you the output, or else it won't display the output. Okay. So these are the logical functions. So like if we can set our string data like yes or no, true or false, such type of conditions. Okay. So I'm going to apply the and. For that, from this entire data, I want only, so I want only the person finance and their salary is greater than 50,000. Salary is greater than 50,000. So my question is, I want finance and salary, and I'm taking salary. Let me take greater than okay, 60,000. Okay, this is my condition, guys. So whenever these conditions met, my answer should be yes. Else it will take it as no. Okay, guys. So I'm going to apply my and. But compulsory here it is working on if. Yes, if finance and salary. If finance and salary. So we have to apply again if condition over here. So just take the if first. Take the if first. Take the if. Then which logical function? And. So I'm going to take the and. Then what, how many logical conditions you want to apply? You can apply logical 1, logical 2, logical 3. So here I have considered on 2 columns, finance and salary. So which column I'll choose first? This branch. From this you can choose anything, guys. Okay, I'll choose this finance. Any column, guys. From this you can choose anything. This column should be is equals to finance, comma, logical condition 2. What is that? Your salary should be compulsory greater than 60. Okay, greater than 60. Then what are the messages I want to put over here? If it is true, that means both conditions matches, I want that as yes, or else I want that as no. And close the bracket. Just click on enter. Oh no, this is no. Why? Here it is greater than 60,000, but we do not have finance here. So both, whenever the both conditions matches, then only it will take it as yes. Okay, just take the help of fill handle. Any such cases? Yes, here I have. See, this is the condition where this is meeting your finance over here. Yes, is this meeting your finance over here? Yes, this is my condition finance. And is my salary is greater than 61,000? So my answer is yes. My answer is yes. Got the idea how the and is working now? Okay. Finished, guys? Then is it possible to apply the same logic for or also? Yes, the same logic. So what I'll do? I want finance, or I want finance. Instead of and, I want to put or over there. So in the and logical functions, usually what happens, whenever these two conditions are matching, then only it will display the result as S. But in the or, what happens, guys, if you put or, either one of this, if it either left or right of the or matches, it will give you the result as yes only. If it is finance but salary is less than 60,000, it will give it as 60 only. And if it is sales but salary is greater than 65, it will give it as yes only. Okay, let me apply the logic here. Okay, if R, so logical function is R. Okay, so which one? The first, your branch is equals to finance, comma, and salary is greater than 60,000. Okay, process. And what is the messages? Yes, comma, no, and close the bracket. Okay, click on enter. See, guys, I'm getting yes, but previously in the and I got no. Why I'm getting yes? My salary is greater than 60,000. If at least either one of the condition matches, it will display output as yes. So take the help of fill handle and just fill all the numbers. See here, this is finance, but salary is not matching. Here, this is not the finance, but salary is greater than 60. Here, both conditions are matching. Yes, when it is both conditions are matching, then only it will give you the S also. So this is a and this is a logical or. Okay, guys, finished everyone? Everyone finished? Okay, moving on to the next concept. Moving on to the next concept, that is, we'll take the dates. Already we have done some dates, right? So in the starting, in the formatting, we have done some date, but here we are going to see some more date functions. Okay, some other date functions we'll discuss. Okay, guys, I'm going to take the new column. You know already how to do the dates in the formatting. We have already discussed, but we are going to discuss some additional functions, okay, in the date. Okay, I'm writing simple date, guys. You can choose, you can write anything. So 12/03, some 20, and then I'll take 1990. Okay. So why it is not taking the date, guys? It is in the number format. You can take the short date over there. We have already discussed about this formattings. Control plus one. Control plus one. We have already discussed some other functions from the date. Okay. Yes, you can put your custom functions also. Date. You can choose, or else you can go with the custom date. That is your choice. Okay. Right. This is my date. And if you take some fill handle, just it will fills the date. That is fine. Or else you can leave it. So we want one row, one value is enough to discuss about the date functions. Okay. Right, guys. What are the date functions that we are going to discuss here is, so I want from this entire date, what is the format here? This is the date, this is the month, and this is the year. But I want the specific column only with the year. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll enter some random dates here. Choice is yours, guys. Just I want to explain some new date functions over here. Okay, right, the random dates. Okay, then from this date column, I want to separate only the years. I want only the years, or else I want only the month. I want only the date. So I want to separate them. Okay, so here we have some custom functions. So here we have some date functions. Suppose if you want to get only the years, simply put is equals to and type the years. Type the year and select this date and close the bracket. Okay, enter. Ma'am, why we are getting again the date? Just change that into the number, guys. You will get that year. And ma'am, how to do remove these decimals? Yes, control plus one. You can remove the decimals over there. So is your year is separated from this? So what is the year exactly? 1990. You got the 1990 from this. I'll repeat that, guys. Just put is equals to, put is equals to, and take the year. Type the year and select your date cell and close the parenthesis. Okay, and enter. And choose the fill handle. Year H8. H8. Okay, let me check with this why it is not taking. Okay. Oh, error in value. So some mistake over in this date. So these two values are not taking. Okay, right. 1990 and 2010. See, guys, getting everything properly. Only the years. And if you want only the month, so how will you get this? Is equals to month. Simply type the month and choose your date. So what is the month? It's 12. 12 month. Okay, then drag it. So 12, 12, this is 1st January, this is 8th August, this is 10, 10. Okay. Ma'am, is it possible to change the date format? Yes, just simply take control plus 1 and custom function you can choose, guys. You can change the custom. Instead of, to avoid the confusion, I want date, month, year. Okay, that is also possible. We have already discussed the formatting. Control plus 1 we have already discussed. You can put your custom dates also. Okay. Yes, how to get the only dates? So for that we have to type day, not the date, guys. Day of this. Enter it. What is the day, guys? 3. The day is 3. You are getting 3. So you can fill handle. Choose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, these values are in order. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. You can change this. So it's a dynamic. See, guys, it is taking 8 or 8 date. Date is 8. 8 December 1990. Okay, finished. And okay, let me explain the today. So what is mean by today, guys? What is the today's right now current date? Yes, this today's date. Getting today's date is very very simple, guys. Simply put is equals to and type the today and just close parenthesis. No need to mention anything. So based on the date, it automatically will give. What is the today's date, guys? See, 3/4/2025. So if you notice from my window here, so today's date is 3 sorry March 4th 2025. So today's date is getting today's date is very easy. Okay. Then, guys, okay, so moving on. Okay, I want to discuss one more thing. So dated if, guys, in the older versions of Excel you don't get this dated if, but still it will work. So what is the use of dated if means? Suppose this is my date of birth. Let us assume these are the date of birth of some person. Okay, I want to calculate their ages from today. I want to calculate ages from current day, today year. So today's date. How many years that person is? How many years of old? Okay. So for that, I can use my dated if over there. So dated if. Okay. Dated if. Dated if. Then choose the year, comma, from today's date, right? So just check your today's date over there. Okay. See, guys, my dated if is not working. I don't have dated if my in my cell. So if anybody is having this dated if, it will work, guys. Okay. This is not working in my system. No, guys, it is not working in my system. No, but the person, I mean, the advanced like 2000, after 2016, it will work. After 2016, it will work, guys. Okay, you can exclude this. Based on the versions, it depends. Okay, right. Moving on to the next concept from the sheet. And oh, weekday. So I'll explain the weekdays, guys. You know the weekdays? So what is a weekday? So if you take starting from Sunday as a 0, how many weeks? Sunday as 0, Monday as 1. So your choice, guys. We can choose this range. So if you start Sunday with 0, Monday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can get the weekdays. For that, we have directly formula. Yes, weekday is there. So simply type the weekday. Okay. Then, comma, the return type. That means you want to start with Sunday. You want to start with Monday as 1. So here we have some options. Okay. So if you choose the first one and close it. Yes. See why it is taking to, why it is taking to my return type. My return type, it is taking Saturday as a 1. So Monday, yes, 3 as Tuesday. Weekdays. These are my weekdays. Next, guys. Okay, so these are some intermediate functions, logical, text, dates, and we left with lookup functions. Yes, now we are going to start with our lookup function. So we look up, H lookup, index match. Okay, right. I'm closing this sheet. And guys, for that I have shared one more sheet. Just cross check with your drive links. I have shared one more sheet with you. That is VH. The short name I have mentioned it as VH sheet. Open your VH sheet. And those who don't have this drive link access, no need to worry. This is also the simple data. You can type this, guys. I'll wait for 1 minute. Just type the data and keep it ready. Now we are going to start with VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and index match. Okay. Take this sheet, guys. Ready? With this sheet, then we'll move to the concept. Yes. So shall we start with the VLOOKUP? Yes, so I'm going to start with V look up. Guys, what is mean by these lookups? What is mean by these lookups? So these lookups means here VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means it will give search the results vertically, and if you take the HLOOKUP, it will look up the data horizontally. That means row wise. If you take the VLOOKUP, it will check with column wise. Okay, so let me begin with the VLOOKUP. Then you will get the idea about HLOOKUP and index match of these lookups. Okay, right. So I'm going to take. Okay, let me take my student name over here. Okay, I want only the marks of some person apart from these three. You can take any one person. Okay, I'm taking two columns. Okay, so let me take, I want the marks of only Sam. You can take any name, guys. I'm going to explain how this VLOOKUP is working. Usually, what are the maths marks of Sam? 88, right? Yes or no? So whenever I apply VLOOKUP over here, it should compulsory search vertically where is your Sam math marks, and it should reflect over here. Okay, right. I'm going to begin with that is equals to VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. Easy examples, guys. I'm not going to take the huge and complex data sets. If you're okay with this, then you can apply it on real-time data sets also. Okay, what is the VLOOKUP? What is the message it is giving? What is the message it is giving? Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. Right, it is giving the huge definition, guys. So no need to worry. So just check with the conditions what the VLOOKUP is taking. Okay, so it will look over the columns vertically, right? So when you click on VLOOKUP using the tab, what is first it is giving? Lookup value. What is the lookup value here? So which candidate marks you want? Which candidate marks you want? So you have to choose that cell first. You have to choose that cell first. It's dynamic, guys. When you change the name, it will automatically changes the marks also. Okay, right. So I want this person details. That is my lookup value. That is my lookup value. Comma. After that, what is the message it is taking? Table array. So what is the table array means? You have to select your entire table. You have to select your entire table. Okay, comma. After that, column index number. So where is your math? In which column your mathematics is there? This is the first column. This is the second column. So put 2 and comma. Put 2 and comma. In which column your math is there? You have to put that column number 1, 2. So my student name is in first column. My math is in second column. Okay. Put 2 comma, and it is giving some message. You want true. True means approximate match, or false means exact match. So you can choose the binary names true or false, or else 1 or 0 also. I want exact match, guys. I'll choose 0 over there and close the bracket. And close the bracket and enter. So see, what are the marks of my SAM? It is vertically checking the columns, and my marks of SAM is 88. Yes, guys, just finish it. We'll check with another candidate details also, how the VLOOKUP is giving the details. Okay. Guys, got it? So enter it. And what I'll do, I'll change the candidate name to Ram. Yes, see, it is giving my Ram math marks as 90, or else you can go with Sonu. What are the maths marks of Sonu is 95. So it is checking vertical wise. It is checking. We look up is checking vertical wise. Okay. Finished. We lookup is done. Okay, guys. We'll move to the H lookup. Okay. So H lookup. What is the H lookup? So it will search for the data horizontally. So the row wise. It will check for the data row wise. Okay. Suppose I want same. I want math marks of Sam. I want math marks of Sam. Okay. So what I will do here? Okay. Let me take math here. Math. Okay. Then apply your H lookup. I want math marks of Sam, right? So apply your H lookup. H lookup. So same way, guys, exact how VLOOKUP is working, but it will search for the result in horizontal way. Okay. So first lookup value. What is the lookup value, guys? Mathematics value, comma. What is the table array? You have to choose this entire array. You have to choose this entire array. Okay. Then comma. See, guys, previously we have entered the column index number, but here it is asking row index number. So where is the Sam, guys? Here Sam is in which index? 1, 2, 3. So you have to put 3 comma, and you want exact match or appropriate match. So just put 0 over there and enter. Oh, what are the marks of Sam? Is 88. Math marks of Sam is 88. And you can change the subject, guys. What are the science marks of Sam? 78. Okay. Okay, let me take English marks. So what are the English marks of Sam? 80. Is this matching, guys? The same. So horizontally, that means row wise, it will search for the data. It will look over, it will look up horizontally. Okay, guys, I'll open the formula. Okay, take this. Those who are doing, just take this. Okay, guys, finished. Everybody done? Okay. Yeah, I have one more sheet, but in the reverse order. Yes, guys, you can try with this. one extra sheet I have provided for the practice. Same data in the reverse order. Okay, you can practice with this. You can practice with this. Okay, guys, finished everybody? Okay, moving on to the next concept, index match. Moving on to the next one, index match. So what is the index match means? Suppose I want here the same data, guys. Data is similar. Okay. What I want to do, what is the index match means? I want, suppose, only one person. Here the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is giving and only one particular subject data of particular person. Yes or no? But what I want here is, I want complete SAM marks. I want complete SAM marks over here. You're getting my point? SAM marks completely over here. Okay. So for that, I am first taking the subject. Okay, I'll take the names here, guys. Okay, subject. So what are the subjects? Math, science, and English. Guys, bit important and bit confused. Bit confused. Okay, what is the index match means? Whenever the specific index and it matches with the entire columns, the entire data, instead of one single value like HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP, it will give you the all math, science, and English, a complete data of the particular person. Whatever the name you choose, instead of one subject, it will give you the entire marks sheet of particular candidate. So in the real time, we will use these index matches more, guys. Okay, so just begin with this index match. So bit complicated syntax. We have to be careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. I'll move very slow for this. Okay. Okay, right, guys. Do you remember? I have discussed one point in the data validation, like the drop down list. Yes, do you remember? I skipped my drop down list there. Yes, now we'll apply the drop down list so that it will be helpful in the index match. So you can apply in the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP also, guys. That is your choice. Okay. So here I want all my person details. So I'm going to the data first. Going to the data. So click on this cell. Will you able to see the data validation? Click on the data validation, everybody. Click on the data validation. Okay. So choose the data validation. This new window will open. This new window will open. Okay, then I'm going to make the drop down list, right? I'll choose the list from LO. Just click on the list. Click on the list. Click on the list. Okay, what is the source? What is the source means? I want only the person names, guys. So what I'm going to do, see here, guys, when move your cursor inside the source, then select the range of your names. Select the range of your names. Okay, I'll repeat that. Repeat that. So first select the list, then choose the source. What are the sources? Whenever you change the name, the list, you are going to make the list of all the three names. List of all the three names. You have to select this source as these three names. Okay, let's do it. Okay, then click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Guys, all of you, your attendance link will be update, guys. Your attendance link will be shared by 8:40. Okay, it will be shared by 8:40. Okay, wait for a few more minutes. Your attendance link you will get by 8:40. Okay, right. Yes, finish it, guys. The drop down. See here. Did you get the drop down? One small button you got here. One small button you got here. What is that? It's your drop down. It's a list. See, guys, whenever I move this, I have selected the source as these three only: RAM, SAM, and SON. So you can choose anything. If you click RAM, it will give you the entire marks of RAM. But we haven't applied any index, guys. Index match, we haven't applied. Okay. It's finished up to this part. Guys, why I'm moving very slowly? It's a bit huge syntax for the index match. So V lookup and H lookup is very easy, where we are going to get only the particular value. But here, the complete marks of particular candidates. For that, that's why we have created the list of drop down over here. Right. I'm going to begin with my index match. So whenever the index and the match are working, so both, that means your subject and the person, all the three subjects and the person matches the column names, then only it will give you the result of all these three subjects. Okay, right. So I'm going to start with index. First, type your index. Type your index. Okay, so whenever you type index, it is giving first you have to select your array. So what is the array means? Your entire sheet, your entire sheet, your entire sheet, your entire sheet. Okay, guys. But here, if you want to work on this sheet, entire array, you have to keep them as a absolute set. So just select your data. See, guys. First, choose the entire array. Then select this entire table, select entire table, press F4, press F4. Why I am making it as a absolute values? I want it should check from the entire table. Okay. So just select your cell range and press F4. Press F4. Okay. Then comma. Then comma. So I want all the three subject marks, right? It should match with the three subjects. Now I'm going to take match inside. So take the match. Take the match. Take the match. Take the match. Okay. So which person details you want? This drop down, from this drop down list only. Whatever the name you select, which candidate name you select, that person marks will be displayed over here. Okay. And you are going to make it as a absolute value. Okay. Just simply press F4 over there. That is your lookup value, guys. That is your lookup value. So after this, what is the lookup value? Lookup array it is asking. This match belongs to only the names, guys. This match belongs to only the names from the drop down. So what you have to select from here? Only the names. So put comma over there, comma. Just select only the student names. Only the student names. Why? I'm selecting only the names. I'm going to make it as array for only for names and make it as your absolute values. Okay. Make it as absolute. Comma, and we want exact match and put 0. We want exact match only. Oh, did I miss something over here? Control C. Ah, okay. So put comma and we want exact match, put 0. Put 0. Okay. Put 0. Put 0. But still match is done. No, we haven't finished. Why? Because we have considered the entire cell range and we have matched with the name, with the student name. But here we need to apply all the columns, right? Why? Because we want math, science and English. 3 subjects we have to match. So take one more match. Take one more match. Take one more match. One more match. So subjects, right? We are going to focus on subjects. Names is okay. Then we are going to focus on subjects. So take the maths. So no need to make it as absolute. Why? Because we have science and English also. Okay. Then put comma. And where is this list of subjects, guys? In the column wise, right? In the columns only. Yes, choose your column range over there. Okay. Then make it as fixed one. Make it as absolute value. Okay, guys. Then comma. And again, we want exact match. Yes, close your function. Done, guys. So what we have done index match exactly first. Index means the entire array. We have the table we have selected. Then from the match, I have selected the names first. Why means whenever I select the particular name, if any that name is matching in the entire table index, it will give you the names, comma. One more match I have applied for the subjects. So matching name and the matching subjects, if it finds, it will give you the entire marks of that particular candidate. So click on enter. Click on enter. Okay. Why I am getting this? I haven't selected any person name. Okay. Right. Oh, any mistakes in my sheet? Let me cross check with the index. Index A1. A4. C8. Sorry guys, did I miss something here? Any mistake? The value is not available to the formula or function. Okay, let me check with this. Yes, guys, the spelling mistake, that is S. I have applied math here. I have applied math. Okay. Then simply click on drop down. I have applied source. Only the small spelling mistake, guys. Okay. Right. Click over here. I want only the RAM marks. See, whenever I choose my drop down over here, RAM, it is giving the math marks of RAM. What is the RAM marks? 90. Science, 85. English, 92. So from the drop down, you choose the Sonu. See, guys, Sonu, 95, 90, and 88. 95, 90, and 88. Okay, only one spelling mistake. The subject name is not matching. So because of that. Okay, right. So you can choose anything from this. A bit clear, guys? So formula, yes, I'll open the formula and just make a note of this. Guys, finished? Okay, is this possible to drop this entire syntax, the text box? Just for now, guys, it is possible. Yeah, guys, I have done this. I mean, I have applied this syntax, but guys, careful. Why? Because your cell ranges are different from my cell ranges. Okay, your cell ranges are different from my cell ranges. Guys, attendance link is posted. Go through that. Now, got the idea how to put the drop down list? Yes, in the VLOOKUP, in the HLOOKUP also, you can put that, guys. In the VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP also, you can set the data validation, just data validation, put the list and select the sources and click on OK. Here also it will work. If you put RAM, you put Sono, if you put RAM, here also you can set, guys. This drop down is very, very important. Actually, in the data validation part, this is very, very important. You can put over here also. Okay, whenever you can, wherever you require, you can do that. Finished, everybody? Everybody done? Yes, just you have this, you will get this recorded videos and go through this one more time to avoid the confusion. Okay. Right, guys. Moving on to the next concept. Moving on to the next concept and save your files. Save your files. Okay. Then we'll check what we have done till now. So basic introduction, formatting, columns, formulas, functions is done. Intermediate functions, we look up index match, validation, drop down, restrictions, error messages, conditional formatting. Yes, guys. Moving on to the very interesting topic. that is the charts and the graphs. Charts and the graphs. Okay. So how to create the basic charts? What are the basic charts? Bar chart, line chart, pie chart. How to format these titles. How to give the names, axis labels, legend. Okay, how to modify this chart, data types. How to add the trending lines. Okay, so we can go with the recommended charts, and all this we will discuss now. Okay, so it's already 8:48. Okay, let me take the introduction part of the visualization. Okay, till now we have applied only, we have done only the formulas, functions, the basic and intermediate concepts, right? But see guys, as a data analyst, if you want to do some data analysis, always visualization will help us more. So we have already discussed in the starting, yes or no? So usually we don't get 2 to 3 rows of data or 10 rows of Excel sheets in the real time. So the data will be generated continuously with thousands of rows of data. So it is not possible to analyze the data. So then the visualization part comes into the picture. Yes, the visualization, the data visualization we can do with Excel, and it is also possible in the Power BI also, guys. It is also possible in the Power BI. Okay, so that is the tool. So original our SGP is completely on business intelligence using your advanced Excel as well as your Power BI. Till now we have completed the basic and intermediate functions, formulas, and the concept. Now we are entering into the visualization part, and more interesting from tomorrow. Okay, right. So we'll start just one basic chart today. One basic, at least one basic, like either bar or line or any pie, we'll start with. Okay, right, guys. So I'll take the new file. Let me cross check with this. Is I have any other sheets with me ready? Then I'll go with that. Just a second. Yes, guys, before moving to the charts, I want to show you the statistical formulas, guys. I want to show you the statistical formulas for now. Anyway, even we cannot start, we left with only the 9 minutes. Okay, so we will do some statistical formulas that also very important in terms of analysis. We have already done one statistical calculation, that is the average. Yes, we have done the average, which is called the arithmetic mean. Yes, so in the yes, in the data analysis, these are very important, guys. The mean, median, and mode, these are called your mean, median, and mode. So these are, and minimum and maximum also comes under your statistical calculations only, but no idea about the median and no idea about the mode, right? So now we will discuss in short. Okay, so for that I'm taking some data. Okay, let me take train A data, train timings. Okay, the small data, I'm taking one small data, train A timings, some data randomly, guys. So I have some values over here: 50, 35, 28, 45, and 60. Okay, Guys, tell me how to find the median of this, mean of this.
Ma'am, are you sharing your screen?
Sorry.
Oh, yeah, I think
Got
it's
stop.
stopped.
Yeah, yes. Second.
Ah.
Just a second. Is this visible? The screen is visible
Yeah,
now?
visible. Yes.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. So the statistical calculations we are going to do. Right, I'm taking the new sheet, guys. Just simple data. So I'm taking any train timings or train speeds or something. Anything you can take. Okay, let me copy over here. Some random values, guys. You know how to take the random values also. We have done random between. Okay. Then what is the mean, guys? Arithmetic mean or the average sum of all the values by total number of values. So here we have direct formula for our mean. Okay, we are going to find out the mean. So mean means your average only. Okay, so take the average of all the numbers. Right, guys? What is my average? What is my average of all these numbers is 41.2. Okay. This is very easy, and we all know the average or the arithmetic mean. Coming to the median, bit important. What is the median, guys? What is the median means? From the entire series, which is the middlemost value? Which is the middlemost value? What is the middlemost value from this series? So if you take this one out, this one, and your middlemost value is 26, right? But here, if you want to calculate the median, compulsory we have to arrange them either in the ascending order or in the descending order, guys. So if you check it manually, what is the either ascending order or descending order of this series? So if you take ascending, what is the minimum number? The 26. After that we have 34. After that we have 35 and 34, 35, 50 and 61. 50 and 61. Now tell me which is the middlemost value. After arranging them in ascending order, what is the middlemost value? Is your 35. Okay, but here median is also a inbuilt formula. Yes, in the Excel, no need to arrange them in ascending order. It will automatically consider in ascending order and it will find out the median. The formula is simply the median. MED. Just simply type the three letters and take the tab. Take the tab option, okay? And choose your entire data, guys. Choose the data and enter. Oh, you got the same 35. So manually also we got the 35 when we arrange them in the ascending order. Yes, your median is your 35 over here. Okay, so we got 35 here. The middlemost value here also by formula we got it as 35. Okay. And coming to the mode. So what is the mode means? If any specific number, which number is repeated more number of times? Any names? Let me take the string data like cat, dog. Let me take cat. Okay, right. Okay. It will work on numbers also, guys. It will work on numbers also. And I'm going to cat one more time. So if you want to find the mode for this, what is the most repeated word from this? Cat, right? So median will always take the most repeated or frequently repeated number or the name. Okay. Just simply take the mode. Choose from this. Oh, why it is not taking? Okay, it will work on numbers. Okay. Let me try with the numbers. Guys, usually this mode will work properly in the Python, guys. Mode number 1, number 2, even I have selected this, but still it is not giving. Okay, guys, this mode will work properly in Python, but still here also it will work. Okay, let me cross check with this for tomorrow. Okay, value not available error will be this way. Okay, guys, I'll check with this. Okay, but you know how to find the minimum and maximum from this? Yes, how to find the minimum? So min of all these numbers. It will work, guys. Only the problem with mode, I'll cross check with this. Okay, then what is the minimum number? 26. And what is the maximum number from this? What is the maximum number? You can get that. Guys, these are not included in your agenda. We are just discussing additional points. What is the maximum number? 61. Okay, right. So only I'll cross check with mode. Why it is not working in Excel? Okay, right. And in the tomorrow session, we will go with this, the charts. Okay, and just recollect what we have done in a glance. So removing the duplicates, removing the spaces, splitting the data. Okay, then text functions, upper, lower, length, trim, then some logical functions, if, and, or, and date functions, how to get the today date, month, year, and day, weekdays, and some lookup functions, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and index matches. Then we have done some data validations, how to put the validation rules to the columns, error messages, and the drop down list also. Yes, and some in the last, just the statistical formulas, mean, median, minimum, and maximum. And you know, we have already done in the basic formulas also, in the basic mathematical operations also we have done. Okay, guys, and tomorrow we'll start with the charts. Okay, guys, we'll wind up for today. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Dear student, I hope everybody marked the attendance. If not, I'm sharing that once again. Please mark your attendance and share your valuable feedback. And we'll see you on tomorrow at the same time. Thank you.